Welcome to the King Edward VI School Maths Department. I'm Mrs Naylor, Head of Mathematics, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what GCSE Maths is like here at King Edward's. The Mathematics GCSE course includes topics from number, ratio and proportion, algebra, geometry and measures, probability and statistics. Problem solving is a crucial element of the Mathematics GCSE, and we try and incorporate problem solving questions into most GCSE Maths lessons. Mathematics is a compulsory subject, and achievement at grade 4 is a key requirement for entry onto many courses beyond the age 16 and many jobs. Students need to make sure they have the correct equipment for their lessons. Students will need to bring with them a scientific calculator, a ruler, preferably 30 centimetres, a compass to draw circles, and a protractor to measure angles and bearings. The specification we follow in mathematics is the AQA Mathematics 8300 course. This is a linear course that is examined at either foundation, grades 1 to 5, or higher, grades 4 to 9. The examinations all take place at the end of the GCSE course in Year 11. Students will sit 3 exam papers, all 1 hour and a half in length. They are all equally weighted, with 1 non-calculator paper and 2 calculator papers. Students begin the GCSE Mathematics course at the start of Year 9 and will continue to be examined internally and regularly throughout the course. The end of Year 10 assessments will contribute to decisions over the final tiers of entry. Final external examinations will be at the end of Year 11. There are 2 different paths a student might take when studying GCSE Mathematics. Students might take the higher GCSE. The higher GCSE is aimed at those targeted for grades 6 to 9, although it does cover grades from 4 to 9. Or students might take the foundation GCSE. The foundation GCSE is aimed at those students targeted at grades 1 to 5. There are some questions that do cross over on both the higher and foundation papers. GCSE Maths is ideal preparation for those who want to study A-level Maths, A-level Further Maths, or an AS level in Core Maths. Students may also want to do a job related to mathematics, and some of those jobs where GCSE Mathematics is really useful are engineering, medicine, finance, computer science, teaching, and many more. Here's some quotes from what some of our current students have to say about studying GCSE Maths. And here are a few website links that might be useful. So our top one is the specification link, so where we can find all the information about the GCSE Maths course. And you can also follow us on Twitter to keep up to date on all department news. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and thank you very much for listening.